Hello, we're out here pre-Hurricane Dorian, soaking wet in Disney's Magic Kingdom. So our fast pass for Jungle Cruise got canceled. Rude. So they gave us a replacement fast pass, so we're going to Big Thunder Mountain. There's literally no one here. Cute. Just thought I would film this right here. Honorable mention. Yeah, okay. Also because I'm wearing my Aladdin shirt. The Alibaba. You done wound me up. Cries. We're just walking. Dorian is making herself known that she's coming soon. You know, the usual. Missed it. It was Pirates of the Caribbean. I mean, which version of Johnny Depp would you most like to marry? The only answer is Jack Sparrow, Johnny Depp. Thank you. What's up? I would like to personally thank Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and Dorian for allowing there to be no crowds here in Disney's Magic Kingdom. Update. This way. We're gonna go that way. I don't know.
There's no way to go.
Alright, we're gonna turn around and go this way.
I was like, you're gonna hit a dead end.
Update. We're not going on Big Thunder because it's closed. So we have opted for the Haunted Mansion. Shout out for its 50th anniversary in Disneyland. Yes. We figured it's inside, so the rain doesn't matter. We fast passed Haunted Mansion, so we're waiting 3 minutes till it becomes activated. Okay, so Haunted Mansion's only a 20-minute wait, so we're going to use our redemption fast passes on Space Mountain, right? Because why would we wait? Why would we fast pass a short line? Doesn't make any sense. So we're on our way there. Let you know when we get there. We just fast passed this bad boy. We're walking in. Standby was a 40-minute wait, so thank Jeezy. Yeah, okay. I'll give you, maybe I'll vlog during the ride. I don't know. Okay, as promised, we're vlogging on Space Mountain. Whoa! Whoa! I don't want to drop my phone, so I'm gonna end it here. LOL. We survived.
Not gonna lie, a little bummed that I saw half of the whole track.
They were doing construction, so there were some lights on, which ambi isn't ideal, but it's fine. I'm fine. There is a Halloween Magic Band, Hocus Pocus, and it has the Sanderson sisters on it. Update. It's $34.99 here at Jersey. I feel like Tim Tracker right now. Oh, it's sparkly. We're getting on the Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor. Not really getting on because it's just a show. But a pro Disney tip. Pack your lunch. You will save so much money.
In the employee break room. If you have lost a new technical, please call Lost and Found.
Oh, that's me. There we go. LOL. You've got to be kidding me right now.